Theta United States dollar medium-term support for the most part remained at 92 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The especially current exchanging volume of Theta organization really is at $25,559,015, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Theta organization really is by and by esteemed at $1.10. Bears control Theta's genuinely current cost activities, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. 06 January 2024. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually truly got clarification on some things, facts, what especially is extremely momentary cost expectation for Theta organization. Generally is Theta an excellent interest in a truly significant manner. Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so on, which generally is genuinely critical. In any case, prior to jumping certainly profound into the Theta specialized examination, let us discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there by and large, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,643,998,096,525, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The really absolute exchanging volume basically remains at $58,832,899,756, or so they fundamentally thought. Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value lessening of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours, so various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value diminishing of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time period, or so they really thought. Sol, the local coin of Solana, truly is somewhere near 6.74 and right now exchanging at $94.12. Moreover, XRP came to 57 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.69% in esteem, or so they fundamentally thought. These occasions explicitly show that the market explicitly is going in a kind of descending bearing for especially present moment, which basically is very huge. As of now, a really broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting that market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital money market to $1,643,998,096,525 in an extremely significant manner. Support basically is a level at which purchasers generally become genuinely more certainly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they generally thought. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which vendors sort of become move certainly dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally shows that 06 January 2024. In this video we will walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for most certainly 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time truly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is essentially transient cost expectation for Theta organization. Generally is Theta a kind of wise speculation, which by and large is very critical. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization. Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, generally is at $1.10, down 4.88% in the beyond 24 hours, and in every way that really matters, has a value change of 13.61% over the course of the week, showing how right now a fundamentally broad essentially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly is genuinely huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC most certainly is 25,559,015.00 United States dollars, while genuinely complete market cap came to $1,102,140,285 United States dollars, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%. Or so they really thought. There in a real sense are very nearly 1 billion explicitly are available for use out of 1 billion, exhibiting how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,643,998,096,525, or so they really thought. Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Investigation for 06 January 2024, inside an everyday time period in every way that really matters, made sense of beneath, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time span amazingly. We utilize kind of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including extremely basic moving normal, SMA, and outstanding moving kind of normal, EMA, to really break down the future development of the Theta organization, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The Theta United States dollar moving kind of normal union and disparity, MACD, marker, basically is showing a very present moment certainly sell truly signal, as the MACD line explicitly is moving underneath truly signal line, which especially implies generally bears sort of are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting how 06 January 2024. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense, sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what generally is transient cost expectation for Theta organization, in every way that really matters, is Theta a kind of wise speculation? Which certainly is very critical. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and truly is attempting to generally break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength, which basically shows that Theta organization by and large is as of now esteemed at $1.10, bears control Theta's really current cost activities in a significant manner. While Theta's Williams %R pointer generally is at 53.763 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange sort of sign certainly is fundamentally conceivable at this reach, especially further appearance how similarly. Obstruction truly is a level at which merchants essentially become move exceptionally dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which essentially shows that 06 January 2024. In this video we will generally walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and most certainly attempt to answer these habitually truly sought clarification on some pressing issues,